A cold, frosty start this morning, but it means it's a largely dry day ahead with sunny spells, and the outlook is warming up. I'll have all the details, but more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Astronaut rescue is underway. They've been up there 9 months. Tell us what's happening this morning.
Well, I think one thing people might also think is they only took supplies for themselves for 8 days. Clothes and the food and the water they're meant to have. Now, there are often supplies that go up to the space station with all the food and everything they need, but water-wise, and they recycle all of it. So what they breathe, what they sweat and what they go to the toilet with, that is all recycled into drinking. Much, yes. Spring
That's magnolia, isn't it?
Has sprung with our weather.
Cherry blossom.
Is it cherry blossom?
Or apple
All
blossom.
right. OK.
I don't know.
But it's very pretty blossom.
It's gorgeous.
Good morning to you. The weather is warming up. We're not quite there yet. Today, a little bit milder than it was yesterday. The air mass shows we're losing the blue, the cold air mass, and gaining this yellow and even orange later this week as temperatures look set to climb. But it's not just climbing temperatures. High pressure will sit across us, a southerly feed of air, and it means the outlook is pretty much dry. Temperature-wise, here's how we climb. From today, sitting around about average, and by Thursday, way above average, 19, maybe 20 degrees, and that is the spring equinox, and it will certainly feel like spring, almost like summer, as we head through the week. Now, for today, it is a cold and frosty start. That is the price we pay for clear, starry skies for many of us. That heat escapes pretty rapidly. So first thing this morning, the satellite clear, but it means it's a cold, frosty start. So it may need to scrape your windscreens, particularly for the northern half of the UK. Patchy cloud around, but for many of us, it is dry with plenty of sunshine. And temperature-wise today, a little bit higher than yesterday, 8 to 10, maybe 11 degrees. But it would certainly climb as we head through the week. So let's take a look at our outlook. So we look across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, and the outlook does such a great job here, showing us how much warmer it's set to get. So the white line here is where temperatures should be, average for today, but climbing as we head through the week and just returning back to average by the start of next week. Percentage chance of rainfall. With this milder weather comes drier weather as well. So high pressure dominates for the rest of the working week, keeping it fine and settled, but low pressure returns for this weekend when it turns cooler with the arrival of some scattered showers. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next few days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. These are our average top temperatures through England and Wales. Our peak is Thursday. We could get up to 19, like I said, maybe 20 degrees, coming back down into next week. And there's a tale of two halves. We have our fine, dry, sunny weather for the next few days, but it turns more unsettled from Friday onwards.